Hello, I'd like to demonstrate to you how Mojobot can move precisely. So a very important thing about playing with Mojobot is that, say if you command Mojobot to move from this end to the other end, and Mojobot does not end up here where he should be, but end up on the side or too far behind or too far forward, then it can become quite confusing for kids to know if they've done the correct thing or not. But we've solved this problem because Mojobot moves very precisely using sensors that detect the gray markings. So this will ensure that Mojobot moves and stays in the correct block at all times. So we're going to do 3 tests. First is the walking test. Mojobot is going to walk back and forth. Second test is Mojobot is going to be turning on the spot, turn. And the third test, Mojobot is going to be moving in a square. So for each test, we'll do it for 1 minute. So we'll do the first test now, and we'll start timing. So here we've got Mojobot moving in a loop. So it's going to go forward 5, turn right twice. At the end of the repeat, the command will loop back to the start of the repeat, and then we'll move forward 5 again. As this repeat is on infinity, the commands will just repeat on and on. So we've just gone back and forth, and it's pretty much 30 seconds now. So we have one more back and forth to do. This quality of Mojobot allows us to play the card games with Mojobot and make sure that the robot does the right thing. Okay, and that's 1 minute. So I'm just gonna stop this program. And now we'll see how turning works. So I'm gonna take this forward 5 out. And we're just gonna keep turning right. Okay, let's see the turning test. You would see that sometimes Mojobot readjusts itself a little bit after each turn. So we're into 45 seconds now. So now we see that also in turning, Mojobot is very precise, and it will keep turning and stay in the correct position, correct orientation. So now that's been over a minute. Now the last test. Let's see Mojobot walk in a loop, in a square loop. So walking straight and then turning. So we'll be walking this way. Okay, let's go. Also, the precise movement is very important when we're playing with the tokens. As you probably know now, Mojobot can pick up these tokens. So the way we play the game is put the tokens in the middle of a square, and Mojobot, you can command code Mojobot to come to the square and pick up the token and deliver it somewhere else. For here, example here, the eggs. So in this sense, it's very important that Mojobot moves precisely, because if Mojobot does not stop at the correct position, Mojobot will not be able to pick up the token successfully. Okay, so we've been through 1 minute now of the square test. So hope that shows to you that our Mojobot prototype is already working quite well, and we have no need to worry. And I think it's the only robot on the market right now, the only tangible coding robot that you can program and make it move precisely on and on in a loop without losing its position. So for anyone out there, if you're interested in Mojobot, it would be wonderful if you can support us. This would really help make this project become a reality. And we're all new to this, and we're from Thailand, and we're hoping that this Kickstarter experience can really help us out and make Mojobot a product for the globe. So thank you for all of your support. That's it for me today. Bye bye.